your time, yeah. Just free your mind, okay, and take your time. Just make it possible to live under a roof, driving my car, and even take good care of my pup Charlie Chuck. The most I sit to buy and watch all over the world with the careful. Don't hesitate to call and down when the bad times are right, because God just give me shelter always, and I never stop giving Him praise. Say God just give me shelter always, and I never stop giving Him praise. You know that life can be so rocky. Only you can know the outcome of your days. Living a good world, don't believe me. All you have to do is give thanks and praise. Just free your mind, yeah, and take your time. Forever grateful and never scornful. I give you all of the glory for keeping my blessings. And I don't want to waste any time now. Looking back, I see how love them fall out. Tighten up your views on life, and don't you ever think you get the same chance twice. Live a full, live strong and kind. Have a full heart in this crucial time. Won't you give me some Louis? Sacrament people.